I think the craftsmanship of wood-fired cooking is very similar to the craftsmanship of making whiskey at Balvenie. It takes a lot of thought, care to really produce that beautiful product. If you think about the barbecue history of Australia, it dates back many, many thousands of years with the Aborigines, but we've also had immigration from all around the world, which has created this dining culture where anything goes. Hi, my name's Dave Pynt. I'm the chef owner of one Michelin starred restaurant, Burnt Ends, in Singapore. Burnt Ends is basically a wood-fired barbecue restaurant. We've got 4-ton dual cavity wood burning ovens, 4 elevation grills. 95% of what we do is cooked on the grills or in the ovens or smoked. The reason why we cook on wood is because it's such an amazing process. You're building something up and then when it's ready, you transfer it to the grills and you cook again. It makes cooking craftsmanship, artisanal. It's very much touch and feel, and you've got to feel and work with the fire. It's a process that I really, really enjoy, and hopefully my team enjoys. With the Balvenie 17, we picked up the notes of the sherry and we've taken that to work with it and build a dish that would really complement the sherry flavours. Lamb shank barbacoa, something that is really fun, big flavours, very interactive as well, which is something that we like doing. We managed to get some peat from the Balvenie distillery and we actually smoked the lamb shank with the peat before we wrap it. So having all the different spices, the richness, sherry vinaigrette salad really highlights those notes in the Balvenie 17. My suggestion is you get a whole bottle and you just sip and eat as you go. For the Balvenie 14 Caribbean Cask, we found the vanilla notes to really come through. We thought it'd be perfect in ice cream. We get part of the Balvenie staves, we heat them up just so they start smoking a little bit, drop them into the milk and cream base, pour in enough Balvenie 14 Caribbean Cask to make it really tasty, and then churn it. Every time you have a barbecue, you want to have ice cream, right? Ice cream, barbecue, whiskey, it all goes hand in hand. This is our opportunity to give all of our diners a little ice cream before they go into desserts. I think the way you get better at cooking on fire is cook more, and it's really that simple. The more you do, the better you're going to get. As we come into work every day, we're always looking to get better, to improve, to find little things that we can take up that little notch. I think the day when we decide we've done enough is the day we need to retire.